Hey everyone, it's Duncan Epping, Yellow Bricks, and today I want to show you the new functionality that we introduced in VCF 9 or vSAN 9, and that is maintenance mode of a full site in a stretch cluster configuration. As you can see in this particular case, we have a stretch cluster configuration and we have a preferred location and a secondary location, and we're going to place the preferred location into full maintenance mode. So what is going to happen when we actually do this is that it's going to enable maintenance mode on all of the hosts that are part of this particular site. Now before we do so, of course, we need to run a pre-check first, and this pre-check actually validates if all of the data is also available and accessible in the other location. So in this particular scenario, the secondary location. As you can see, it says that 18 objects will become incompliant, which means that, of course, as one part of the data center goes, or one of the data centers goes into maintenance mode, that data is going to be inaccessible. But still, the data is still available, so there's no issue here. So we're going to place the site into maintenance mode, and as you can see, the maintenance mode action is now running and it's processing, and all of a sudden, at some point in time, you will see the host going into maintenance mode. Now, the interesting thing here, or the important thing here, is the following. When the hosts go into maintenance mode within this preferred location, vSAN will also ensure that the data that is stored within those locations is also consistently stored. So the data that is stored on the host with the IP address .171 is the same as the data that is stored on the host with the IP address .186 or 191 or 230, for instance. So there's full consistency across the board in this environment. So not only does it make placing a site into maintenance mode much easier, because it only takes a few clicks and you don't need to do it on a per individual host basis, but on top of that, there's also full consistency. And then, of course, if you want to exit maintenance mode, we also provide that option within the UI, and it will make all of the data accessible again after, of course, the data has been resynced. So that was it. Hopefully it was a useful demo. I will record another one where I will actually show the site takeover command as well. That one will be up next, and hopefully you will watch that as well. See ya.